Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you got a fault with the anti-pollution warning or your car is in limp mode, then stay tuned. I will show you what to do for HDI engines. Welcome to Fixtastic Solutions, the channel for how-to contents. We need to get to the air mass flow sensor. So what you need to do is loosen this bracket and this one too. So both of them. Take this cover off, guys. It would be more easier for you. This is the air mass flow sensor we need to remove. Pull it out from here. Then give it a good pull, guys. It will remove. Right, this is the sensor. There's 3 screws. On your car, it might differ. Right, there's 2 there. Make sure you remove this air sensor cable. As mentioned, there's 3 screws on this air mass flow sensor. Right, it will look like this once it's removed. So this is what you need to do. You need to spray here and spray on this side too, both sides. Right, you can buy air mass flow sensor spray to clean your mass flow sensor, or brake cleaner. It's just effective. I'm using brake cleaner, does the job perfectly. So I'm going to show you now. I'm going to spray here. Apply a lot of spray, guys. And then what you need to do is just shake it. Let all that excess spray come out of the sensor. And then on this side as well, give it a good spray. And then shake it, let all that excess come out again. And then don't put it in straight away. Wait 10 minutes, let it dry out, and then connect the air mass flow sensor back. So back there, like I said, wait 10 minutes. Then screw it back in. Vice versa, connect everything back again. Put this back, and then when you start your engine, the engine management light should be off. Your car shouldn't be in limp mode. You should have power, so your engine should restore the lost power. Or if you've got anti-pollution fault, that will go away. Well, it should go away. Time to tighten the brackets. This one too. I hope this video has helped you. Please comment below if this has fixed your problem. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.